In this guide, we're going over how you can enable cheats here on the Sims 4 on PS4, PS5, Xbox, and PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to open up the cheat console. If you're on PC, you just have to hit Control, Shift, and then C on your keyboard, and you're going to see the cheat console appear up at the very top. It's going to look kind of inconspicuous, like nothing crazy is going to pop up. If you're on console, you have to press all four trigger buttons at the exact same time, which means L1, L2, R1, R2 on PlayStation, or LB, LT. RB, RT on Xbox, and this will open up that same cheat console. Once the console's open, type testing cheats exactly like this. I know it's kind of hard to see up there all the way up in the top left, but go ahead and hit enter. If it says true, that means your cheats are going to be enabled. If it says cheats are disabled, you need to enable cheats by typing in testing cheats space true and then hit enter, and that'll enable it. Now from here, you can enter in any cheat code that you want. For example, if you want more money, go ahead and type in money and then followed by any amount. Like we'll do like 100,000, right? Hit enter, and then we'll go ahead and get a bunch of money just like so. Whenever you're done though, you could close the cheat console by pressing the exact same buttons. So once again, in PC, that is Control Shift C, and it'll close it. On Xbox, it's going to be all of the triggers as well. It is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.